What's the meaning of close-mouthed? Close-mouthed. Close-mouthed.
Close-mouthed. Close-mouthed. The term close-mouthed refers to a person who is reticent or unwilling to talk about certain subjects. Such individuals may choose not to share personal information or may be intentionally secretive or guarded about their thoughts and feelings. They may also be hesitant to disclose information that could potentially harm others or themselves. Being close-mouthed can be a positive attribute in some situations, such as maintaining privacy or avoiding conflicts. However, it may also result in difficulty communicating with others and hinder the development of close relationships.